Hey guys, this is Corey with Custom RV in Amarillo, Texas, and today I have a brand new arrival and really a brand new product line for us to show you. This is the 2022 SunRay by Sunset Park RV Manufacturing, model 129. This little compact camper only comes in about 1,840 pounds unloaded. So you can pretty much tow this with just about anything. If you've got a 3,000 pound towing capacity, this will fit really well into your, or pair up well with your tow vehicle. We're gonna do an interior and exterior walk around video tour today, talk about some of the cool features on this compact off-road style camper. Let's go ahead and we'll jump on to the inside and we'll start in the living area. And I understand this is not necessarily for everybody, but if you're a single or person or a couple that has a really small tow vehicle and is looking for something lightweight to get off the beaten path, this is going to be right up your alley. So if we step in here, you'll notice that this has a giant U-shaped dinette, and the sofa really goes all the way over to here, which is really cool. This will turn down into an approximate queen size bed. And this is so new, I'm not exactly sure how the cushions go yet, but this is so nice, especially, you know, if all you're gonna do is sleep in it, and you know, it's really a good camper for just getting out in the boonies and stuff. I really like this. You are gonna have a 5,000 BTU air conditioner. Now it doesn't need a giant roof air like some of these other giant campers, and that's, you know, that's okay. You are going to have a nice vent, and that is a power vent as well. So if you just are running off of battery power, you can easily run that and kind of get some airflow in here. I love this interior decor. This is, I believe they're Naughty Pine. I'll have to double check on that. But you've also got good window coverage. You've got window here. And if we spin back around this way, you're also going to have a window over here. This is an emergency egress window. You are going to have a thermostat for your furnace. And if we look down here, that is where your furnace is going to be, right down here. There's storage under most of this. But one really neat thing, and I'll go ahead and open this up. So you've got a good chunk of storage back in there. This also turns into a bunk if you need an extra sleeping space. All this is pocket screwed cabinetry as well, which is a really nice feature. And then back over here, you do have a solar charge controller, which is pretty cool. This is going to have, I believe it's 100 watts. It may be 200 watts of solar. I will have to double check the spec sheet. Let's see, it's over here. It does have, yes, it has 100 watts of solar. Now, one kind of neat thing, underneath this cushion, you're probably thinking, well, great, this is storage. This is actually has its own little black tank. So you'll take these cushions off, and then this will flip up so you can access the toilet. For emergency use only. I get it that not everybody's going to use that, but it's a pretty neat little feature. You've also got some controls, power, USB ports, all kinds of good stuff down there. If we spin back around, and this is so hard to film because it is a very small camper. Come on, you. You're also gonna have really good storage down in there as well. All this is gonna be pocket screwed cabinetry. If we look over here, you're gonna have a nice microwave. Big storage here as well, as you can see right there. Again, all pocket screwed cabinetry. You are going to have a nice chunk of countertop space here as well. And I love this little sink. That way when you use the facilities, you can, you know, wash your hands and everything. Also gonna have a little bit of plumbing access and storage under there. Handy little microwave. And then if we open this up, there's a battery box in there now, but good storage there as well. You're also gonna have an AM, FM, and Bluetooth stereo system here. And then down here you've got your water pump, water heater, and some lighting controls, and then of course your fire extinguisher. And then if you want to add TV, you can add one here, although you're not buying this to really watch TV. But that's going to be the interior. Let's go ahead now and we'll jump onto the outside and take a look at some of the features there. Alright guys, so we're on the outside of this brand new 2022 SunRay Model 129. So up here you're going to have a power tongue jack, single 20-pound propane tank, and then you have this kind of nice deck for a battery box, spare tire, all that good stuff, whatever you want to put up there. You are going to have 4 corner stabilizer jacks. They are manual. Outside shower, and then this is the drain for the sink on the inside because this does not have a gray water tank. Right over here you're going to have your 30 amp service. This does have a black tank for the toilet. You're going to have the sport package here, so that's going to have the aggressive off-road tires, city water, fresh water connection right here, cable and satellite hookup, and your 6-gallon gas electric hot water heater. And then up top here you do have, there's the vent for your air conditioner. The sport package is also going to give you the roof rack, which is pretty cool. That way you can mount kayaks, bicycles, all kinds of stuff up there. Coming around to the back, you do have an exterior storage compartment right there, as you can see there. And then you've got this pretty cool outside kitchen. So you've got an electrical outlet, storage here. You've got a 2-burner cooktop, sink with hot and cold water. And then if you look up top, you've got good storage there. Again, all pocket screwed cabinetry. And then you have a 4.3 cubic foot, 12 volt compressor fridge. If I can open the top part here, that's by Everchill. And there's an on-off switch for it over there as well. So pretty cool feature there. And you're probably wondering, if we back up, how tall you can be and stand under that. Backup camera prep there too, which is pretty neat, especially on a small trailer. So I'm 6'2", and I can still clear that door there as well. You've got slam latch locks on that too, by the way. And then coming around over here, again, nice looking off-road tires. You've got a single step, dual outside speakers, extra little porch light, and you have the optional manual bag awning there as well. So overall guys, this has been a really quick video. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this down in the comment section down below. I'd be really curious to see your feedback, since this is a brand new product for us. We're not as sure what customers are going to think, but we've specifically got these for Jeeps, which really nice. If you've got a Jeep, really any one of these SunRays would be perfect behind it. But all right guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2022 SunRay Model 129. If you're interested in this travel trailer and you would like pricing and availability, or if you have any questions, feel free to put those down in the comment section down below. Or you can give me a call at 806-335-2336, or you can shoot me an email at contact@custom-rv.com. As always guys, we thank you very much for watching. Remember, at Custom RV, we don't do any hidden dealer fees. We leave those up to the big box dealers. And we know that RVs are made for women, so men can go camping. A couple quick housekeeping notes before we close out. If you could do me a favor, hit that like button down below. That I would greatly appreciate it. And please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell down below. That'll keep you up to date with all of our new arrivals, and we've got a whole bunch of these Sunset Parks coming. So again guys, thank you very much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed. Have a wonderful rest of your day.